Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to sign up in a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do, make sure you already install or get the Google Chat application on your phone. So after you get it, you just need to open it. And when you haven't had signed in into the Google Chat, the looks of the first page will be like this. Welcome to the new Google Chat. So how to sign in, since there is no any sign in instruction here, so you just need to focus on this button, get started. I just need to click it and you will be generated into the manage account, mean that you need to choose which account that you want to sign up with. For example, I want to sign up with this account, so just need to click it until the color is changed into blue, and after you're done, just click done. And now you already signed up with the account that you chose before. And that's all the way how you sign up in a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. If you find out this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.